Everyone thinks the best-selling cold brew coffee makers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, QHH Cold Brew Mason Jar. The QHH Cold Brew Coffee Maker caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive 64-ounce capacity, all for just $16.99. If you want a solid, budget-friendly option for making cold brew at home, this is worth a serious look. With over 4,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear many coffee lovers trust this product. The airtight lid and pour spout also mean you can store your cold brew without it losing freshness, which is a major plus when you're busy. Now, some people complained about the glass being fragile. Here's the thing though, while it's true you need to be careful, the quality of the glass is actually pretty good, and if you handle it with care, it should last you a long time. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, high-capacity cold brew maker. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle extreme temperature changes. Alright, that was a solid option. But if the QHH's glass fragility worries you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability. Product number 2, Takia Deluxe Cold Brew Maker 1 quart. Next up is the Takia Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a compact 1 quart option that's priced at $13.19. This caught my attention with its BPA-free Triton design and impressive 4.6-star rating from over 67,000 reviews. If you're short on fridge space but still want great cold brew, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The fine mesh filter keeps your coffee grounds out, meaning you get a clean, less acidic brew that's easy on the stomach. The airtight lid locks in freshness, so your coffee stays flavorful for days. It's also shatterproof, making it a durable choice for daily use. Now, some users mention that the 1 quart capacity isn't enough for some. Here's the thing, if you're a heavy cold brew drinker or want to entertain guests, this might not be enough. But for personal use, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality, compact cold brew maker. Skip this one if you're brewing for a crowd or prefer larger batches. Now, if the Takia's smaller capacity bothered you, the next product offers a larger size without sacrificing quality. Product number 3, Jun V-Pick Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Jun V-Pick Cold Brew Coffee Maker is another great option, priced at $19.99. With a 64-ounce capacity and a 4.6-star rating from 4,200 reviews, it looks like a solid competitor. If you want something that balances durability and capacity, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. It's made from heavy-duty glass that feels solid in your hand, and the ultra-fine mesh filter guarantees a smooth brew free from grounds. Plus, the sturdy sealing system means no leaks, so you can confidently store your drinks in the fridge. It fits easily in fridge doors, which is a nice touch. Now, some people found it challenging to clean thoroughly. Here's the thing though, while it might take a bit more effort, the wide mouth design makes it easier to rinse out stubborn residues. So if you're someone who enjoys trying out different drinks, this versatility is a big win. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, spacious maker that won't leak. Skip this one if you're looking for a super easy cleaning experience right out of the box. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're looking for even more efficiency, the next one might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, JRSC Cold Brew Mason Coffee Maker. Next up is the JRSC Cold Brew Mason Coffee Maker, priced at $19.99 and boasting a 4.7-star rating from 1,800 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option that promises easy brewing, this one is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. It has a user-friendly design with just 3 steps to make cold brew, making the process incredibly straightforward. The super dense filter retains flavor while keeping your brew free from grounds, and it's made from durable glass that's resistant to cracking, as long as you avoid drastic temperature changes. Now, some users have mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the simplicity of the design and the quality of the brew make it easy to overlook this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use cold brew maker without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer detailed instructions and an ultra-quick setup. Alright, that was a fantastic option. If you're seeking even more capacity, the next one on my list might be just the thing for you. Product number 5, Takia Deluxe Cold Brew Maker 2 Quart. Finally, we have the Takia Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker in a larger 2-quart size priced at $34.99. With the same 4.6-star rating from the previous model, it's great if you're looking for a bigger batch. If you often brew for family or gatherings, this is a solid option. Here's why this matters for you. It maintains that same airtight, leak-proof lid that keeps your coffee fresh and flavorful for days. The larger capacity means you can brew more at once, which is perfect for parties or busy mornings. It's made from shatterproof Triton, so durability is not a concern. Now, some folks found it a bit pricier than other options. Here's the thing, the quality and convenience it provides are worth that extra investment if you're serious about your cold brew. This is perfect for you if you're often brewing for multiple people or want to stock up for the week. Skip this one if you're looking for a smaller, more budget-friendly alternative. Now, let's take a quick look at how all these options stack up against each other. So there you have it. We covered the QHH Cold Brew Mason Jar for budget buyers, the compact Takia Deluxe 1 quart for space savers, the durable Jun V-Pick for versatility, the JRSC for easy brewing, and finally the larger Takia Deluxe 2 quart for those who need to brew in batches. Each has its unique strengths, so choose what fits your coffee lifestyle best.